is fast. This is slow. This is quiet. This is noisy. This is sad. This is happy. This is red and this is white. This is brave and this is scared. This is dark and this is bright. This is old. This is young. This is up. This is down. This is light. This is heavy. Whoa! This is clean and this is dirty. This is tall. This is short. Yes, and this is no. This is near and this is far. This is above and this is below. This is sweet and this is sour. This is cat. Whoa. And this is throat. Be careful. This is hard. This is soft. This is begin. This is end. Bye-bye.